DPSRU द्वारा अपना 7वां दीक्षांत समारोह भारत मंडलम पर मनाया गया, जहां पर मुख्य अतिथि हरिवंश नारायण सिंह, उपसभापति राज्यसभा, साथ ही दिल्ली के उपराज्यपाल विनय कुमार सक्सेना भी पहुंचे और सभी ने यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्रों को यहां पर डिग्री प्रदान की। साथ ही उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की भी कामना करते हुए सभी को शुभकामनाएं दी। तस्वीरें आप भारत मंडलम की देख रहे हैं, जहां पर DPSRU अपना 7वां दीक्षांत समारोह मनाता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। देखिए ये रिपोर्ट।
Annual convocation of Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research University. The baton symbolizes the pillars of healthcare system and also represents the different branches of DIPSA University, including School of Pharmaceutical Sciences towards truth, success and brighter future. May this flame inspire us to all the respected dignitaries on the dais to please step forward. The esteemed Chief Guest for the convocation, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Rajya Sabha.
Yes, sir.
Chairman, Rajya Sabha.
सभी के नमस्कार. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome each one of you who accepted our invitation on behalf of Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences Research University to this auspicious and solemn occasion of 7th annual convocation. My heartfelt congratulations to the graduating the class of 2024 on this momentous occasion. I am happy that especially the 10th year completion of the university to deliver this convocation address establishment of our university completing 10 years of the period.
By the authority given to me as Chancellor of this university, I admit you one and all to the degrees for which you have qualified, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you prove yourself worthy of the same. I admit the other candidates also to the said degree in absentia.
Thank you, sir. Graduating students may please be seated. Wala Yadav. Thank you, sir. I declare that at the 7th annual convocation of Delhi Pharmaceutical Science and Research University of Delhi, the following degree has been conferred today. Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Pharmacy in 12 specialization, Master of Business Administration in Pharmaceutical Sciences, in Pharmaceutical Management, Master of Business Administration in International Trade Management, Master of Business Administration in Healthcare and Hospital Management, Master in Public Health, Master of Physiotherapy, Master of Science in Artificial Intelligence in Medicine, Master of Science in Sports Science, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Bachelor of Business Administration in Community Healthcare, Bachelor of Medical Lab Technology,
सभी उपस्थित अभिभावकगण, इस यूनिवर्सिटी के सभी मेधावी छात्र छात्राएं, सभी गणमान्य अतिथि, मेरा आप सबको नमस्कार। आज सबसे पहले अपनी डिग्री अर्जित करने वाले 2024 बैच के 647 छात्र छात्राओं को बहुत सुंदर श्रेष्ठ भविष्य के लिए मेरी बहुत शुभकामनाएं। यह आपकी जिंदगी का निर्णायक पल है। आप सभी को पुनः बधाई और भावी जीवन के लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं। विद्यालय के कुलपति, प्रबंधन का आभार, क्योंकि देश के भावी एस्पिरेशनल पीढ़ी के बीच होना हम सबके लिए एक उत्साह और ऊर्जा का उनके बीच उपस्थित होना संचार करता है। याद रखें, यह सफलता जो आज आपको मिली, ये सिर्फ आपके अकेले की नहीं है। इसमें आपके माता पिता अभिभावक का उनके सपने हैं, गुरुओं का आशीर्वाद है जो अध्यापक यहाँ बैठे हैं, स्वजनों और मित्रों का स्नेह है और उनकी शुभकामनाएं भी। यह इस मुल्क की इस व्यवस्था का सहयोग है। यह अवसर उन सबके प्रति कृतज्ञता का है।
The Sitaram Jindal Gold Medal is presented to Ms. Dishti Naran. This is awarded to the student who had passed university examination in the first attempt with first class, obtaining the highest number of marks in BPT. The Vice Chancellor Award is presented to Ms. Itar Santra. This is awarded to the student who had passed university examination in the first attempt with the first class, obtaining the highest number of marks in BSc Honours for Science. The Vijay in Ellis Gold Medal is presented to Ms. Soma Shingal. This is awarded to the student who had passed university examination in the first attempt with first class, obtaining the highest number of marks in M.Com all disciplines. The Professor S.K. Gupta Gold Medal is presented to Jessica Joy. This is awarded to the student who had passed university examination in the first attempt with first class, obtaining the highest number of marks in M.Pharma examination with clinical research as the specialization.
Vice Chancellor, Professor Ravi Chandran, Chairman of Board of Governors, Sri Nitin Varma, Secretary TDE, Mr. Talwal, Registrar, Deans, Heads, faculty members, parents, staff, invited guests, collaborating institutions, industry representatives, alumni, and most of all, dear graduating students. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a matter of privilege to stand before you today as we celebrate the convocation of this prestigious university. Dear students, convocation are momentous occasions for any institution, especially for the students who are passing out of the ports of their alma mater. I congratulate all of you who are graduating today and getting degrees from the first Pharma University of India as part of class 2024. Today marks a significant milestone in your journey, a day that reflects years of dedication, preservation, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge.
Examination the first attempt with first class obtaining highest number of marks in M.Pharm examination with hospital pharmacy as specialization. The Emil Pharmaceutical India Award is presented in the first attempt with the first class obtaining highest number of marks in M.Pharm examination and phytochemistry. The examination in the first rank with first class obtaining the highest number of marks in M.Pharm examination with biotechnology as the specialization. The examination in the first rank with the first class obtaining the highest number of marks in M.Pharm examination with pharmacology as specialization. In the first attempt with first class obtaining the highest number of marks in M.Pharm examination with pharmaceutics, quality assurance, cosmeceutics and industrial pharmacy as the specialization. University examination in the first attempt with the first class obtaining the highest number of marks in M.Pharm examination with drug regulatory affairs as the specialization. The Sri M.G. George Murthoot Award is the highest number of marks in MBA, Healthcare and Hospital Management. The Sri M.G. George highest number of marks in Master in Public Health, MPH. The professor passed university examination in the first attempt with first class obtaining highest number of marks in B Pharma. The Professor S.S. Agarwal Trophy is presented to Miss Gauri Sharma. This is awarded to the best outgoing student of BEST 2019 in Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Considered overall performance in academic, extracurricular, co-curricular activities. The journal student of the batch in B Pharm considering overall performance in academic, extracurricular and co-curricular activities.
लिप्सरू के इस कन्वोकेशन समारोह में आकर अद्भुत प्रसन्नता हुई। मैं सभी आज डिग्री पाने वाले छात्रों और विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति एन रविचंद्रन जी, यहाँ के चांसलर, दिल्ली के उपराज्यपाल समेत सभी अध्यापकों, छात्रों, अभिभावकों को बधाई देना चाहूँगा। आज का दिन उनके जीवन का गौरवपूर्ण दिन है और यह विश्वविद्यालय अपने शोध से, अपने कामों से आज भारत की अलग पहचान दुनिया में बना रहा है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो छात्र यहाँ से निकले हैं वो फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में भारत को बहुत आगे तक ले जाएंगे। उनके लिए, उनके नए जीवन की शुरुआत के लिए पुनः शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत बधाई, धन्यवाद।
फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंसेज एंड रिसर्च यूनिवर्सिटी देश की प्रथम फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस की यूनिवर्सिटी है। यहाँ के ग्रेजुएट्स उत्तम शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हैं। फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंसेज विज्ञान का एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है जिसका एप्लीकेशन किसी को छुपा नहीं है। जो भी यहाँ से डिग्री लेकर जाता है उसके अंदर समाज की सेवा करने की, देश की सेवा करने की, देश में इकोनॉमी में कंट्रीब्यूट करने की, देश में शिक्षा की, इनोवेशन की अपार संभावनाएं हैं कि और वो अपनी क्षमता का उपयोग इसके लिए करते हैं। आज जो जिन छात्रों ने ग्रेजुएट किया उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, उनके परिवारों को शुभकामनाएं। और जो हमारे मुख्य अतिथि थे उन्होंने बड़ी इंस्पिरेशनल स्पीच दिया। हमारे जो चांसलर हैं जी सक्सेना जी, उन्होंने बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल स्पीच दिया। मेरा ख्याल है कि उससे सभी को लर्निंग मिली होगी, सिर्फ छात्रों को ही नहीं, हम सभी लोगों को जो वहाँ उपस्थित थे। तो मैं उनके उत्तम भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ जिन्होंने आज डिग्रियाँ ली हैं, और आने वाले समय में उनका जो योगदान रहेगा देश में और विश्व में तो उसकी हम परिकल्पना कर सकते हैं कि बहुत उत्तम होगा।
ठीक है।
Respected Chairman of Board of Governors, Sri J. Verma ji, respected Secretary Madam Higher Education and Technical Education, Mrs. Nandini Paliwal ji, Director Technical Education, Sri Kumar Abhishek, IAS, the General Council Member, Board of Governors, Academic Council, esteemed guests, Dean, Professors, faculty, staff, volunteer, and most importantly, our dear graduates and their parents who joined us today. On behalf of Delhi Pharmaceutical Science and Research University and on my own behalf, I extend a heartfelt thanks to our visionary chancellor, Sri Vinay Saxena ji, for providing consent to organize convocation and supporting the university in all fronts. Your inspiring presidential address reflecting an invaluable combination of experience and wisdom will stay with the new graduates and all of us for a long time. I profusely thanks to our chief guest, Sri Harivansh Narayan Singh ji, for accepting our invitation and graced this day with his presence. Sir, your convocation address was insightful and thought-provoking.
Vice Chancellor, Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences Research University. The 7th convocation of our university held with the 700 plus graduates. Degree is awarded today with the presence of Honorable the Chancellor, Lieutenant Governor Sri Saxena ji, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha Arvind C. Narayan ji, with the honor of wisdom, academic, enriched skill and the technique for that empowering that the scholars with a focus manner, Vikshi Bharat 2047, the planned activities aligned with that the university and our academic council, the governing council, board of governors, our honorable the chairman Verma ji is aligned with that the objective of the university to enrich that our scholar in every year activity. This is day one of academic session to that end of the academic the celebration of convocation. It went on very well with that the compliments to that all the scholars for their employability credential. With this we have our own wish and greetings to all the graduates.